Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Teacher Erica, and today we are going to practice phonics for beginners. So once you practice your letter sounds, then we are ready to blend those sounds together. First, practice blending two-letter words together. And then you will be ready for today's lesson. First word, bad. B, add, bad. Next word, cat. K, at, cat. Hen, n, hen. Leg, egg, leg. Next, dim, im, dim. Rip, ip, rip. Job, job, job. Fox, ox, fox. Gum, gum. Mug, ugh, mug. You are on your way to becoming an excellent reader in English. Keep practicing your three-letter words.